Hello everyone. Today I am here to share my experience in Ghangad Fort. Ghangad Fort is situated near 30 km from Lonavala and 100 km from Pune, Maharashtra. The base village is Ikole, which can be reached from Tamini Ghat road or from Lonavala. There is a Garjai Devi temple on the way to the fort. There is a dense forest on the trekking route, but no need to worry because the route is very safe and wide. This is a easy level trek, but might be a bit of a challenge for the new trekkers as some parts of the climb are quite tricky. It takes about half an hour to reach the entrance of the fort. This hill fort is situated at a height of 3000 feet. This fort is at least 300 years old. Very less information is available about the history of this fort. This fort was used for keeping prisoners and for keeping watch on the trade route from Pune to Konkan. There are two gates on the fort. One can see a cave just at the entrance of the fort. The fort is in ruined condition. Restoration of the fort is done by Shivaji Trail Group with the help of the villagers. They have placed an iron ladder to climb to the Balikila of the fort. There is a rock-cut water cistern on the way to the second gate. The top of the Balikila gives a scenic view of Daivaila, Mulsidem, Kurigar Fort and Sudagar Fort. It takes about an hour to visit all the places on the fort. This fort is said to be one of the forts that Shivaji Maharaj handed over to the Mughals after the Treaty of Purandar. But soon after this, Shivaji Maharaj again recaptured the fort. This fort was under Maratha Empire until 1818. The fort was surrendered to the British forces after the fall of Kurigar Fort in 1800. The cave and the open spaces make it an ideal place for camping for the trekkers. One can visit this fort in any season of the year. If you like my video, then please share it with your friends and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye and see you soon.